Alright, start my day. Come on, man, I ain't even moved yet. God, man. God, how'd you get here so fast?
Sir, do you know why I pulled you over?
You didn't even pull me over. I never even moved.
You actually have a headlight out, sir.
How you know I got a headlight when you're behind the car?
We actually have a headlight sense, kind of like a spidey sense. We can always tell when you got a headlight out.
Nah, I gotta check this, man. I don't believe you, man.
Oh, by all means, you can check it, but you're still getting a ticket today.
Oh, man, I do. What? How'd you know that?
What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change a headlight on a 2008 to 2013 M3 coupe convertible sedan. It's all the same. Get your headlight. First thing you want to do is take off the wheel. Yes, I said take off the wheel. You have to go through the fenders in these cars. It's not an old school car where you pop the hood and just go through the top. It's fine. It's not that hard, but it's more work. Let's get started. Now, after you have the wheel out of the way, you might see this little trap door and think, oh, that's simple. Wrong. You can remove the trap door if you need to do your corner light, but that's it. I'll show you. Well, that is fairly simple. Take a flat head, you twist it out of the way. Wow, these things are terrible. You can actually hand twist it. Yeah, that's easier. That only takes you to the corner light. If you need to remove the corner light, twist that counterclockwise and then pull it. But that's not why we're here. We're here for this. So to get to this in all access, we need to remove the inside fender liner. There's bolts all the way around the fender liner. They're all 8 millimeters. Pretty simple, straightforward. Oh, there's actually two back here too, under this little vent right here. Don't forget those, because I did. Now, as you're pulling this down from the fender, don't just yank it because there actually is something plugged up to it. I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna leave it right here on the brake and it's resting completely fine. Now I have access to where I need to go. Now for this, you would need a T20 and undo all the screws going around this cap. You can go any order you want. I'm gonna start right here. Okay, I have power tools. Why am I doing this? After all the screws are removed, remove the cap. And there you go. That is your headlight. So here's your new bulb. You can see it just has one connection and it's held on by 2 metal rings and one connection. That's it. So let's pull the connection off first and then move the metal rings. Just push on them and they kind of snap out of the way. And there you go. There's your bad bulb. Looks a little burnt. The new one in place. Oh, geez. And plug it up. And I should be working. And there you go. Working headlight again. Cops can't pull me over now. Well, they could, but for other things. Our wheels are torqued down, I'm ready to go. Job is really simple. Only takes about 15 minutes. Took me a little bit longer because I'm filming. But yeah, hopefully y'all learn how to do it. Learn real simple from a very unprofessional mechanic. And stay tuned for other videos. Deuces. On the next episode, I'll paint these calipers yellow.